Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of industrial marvels by showcasing 153 of the most impressive machines operating at peak efficiency. These machines embody the forefront of technology, engineering, and innovation, designed to perform a myriad of tasks with unparalleled precision and power. Join us as we explore these incredible feats of modern engineering in action. We kick off with CNC machines, revolutionizing manufacturing with their precise control over cutting, drilling, and milling operations. These machines craft intricate parts from solid blocks of material, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Next, robotic welding systems take center stage, ensuring consistent and strong welds on metal components. With advanced sensors and programmable controllers, these robots execute tasks swiftly and accurately, showcasing a seamless blend of technology and precision. Industrial 3D printers add another dimension to manufacturing, capable of producing complex parts layer by layer using various materials like plastics, metals, and composites. Their versatility pushes boundaries in design and production capabilities. Hydraulic presses then demonstrate their prowess in shaping materials with incredible force, crucial for applications ranging from metal stamping to forging, ensuring durability and precision in component production. Gantry cranes follow suit, exhibiting their ability to lift and maneuver heavy loads with ease and precision, essential in settings from shipyards to construction sites, where safety and efficiency are paramount. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs) transform logistics and warehousing operations by autonomously navigating through facilities, optimizing transport efficiency with advanced sensors and navigation systems. Injection molding machines play a critical role in manufacturing plastic parts with exacting precision, showcasing high-speed production capabilities while minimizing material waste. Laser cutting machines then dazzle with their ability to cut and engrave materials with pinpoint accuracy, essential across industries from automotive to aerospace for their speed and precision. Industrial robots equipped with AI and advanced vision systems redefine assembly processes, handling intricate tasks with unmatched precision and adaptability, marking a significant leap forward in manufacturing automation. High-speed packaging machines ensure efficient and precise packing of products across various industries, meeting the demands of high-volume production with seamless operation. Automated material handling systems, including conveyor belts and sorting systems, streamline internal logistics within factories and warehouses, enhancing efficiency while minimizing errors. Advanced CNC lathes excel in turning operations, creating cylindrical parts with exact dimensions and smooth finishes crucial in industries requiring precision engineering. sawmills showcase their efficiency in processing large logs into lumber with minimal waste, underscoring their role in sustainable and precise material processing. Wire EDM machines then demonstrate their ability to cut intricate shapes in hard materials with high accuracy, essential in industries like aerospace and medical device manufacturing. Industrial mixers and blenders ensure uniform material blending across sectors such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals, achieving consistent quality in final products. Automated cutting and shearing machines handle precise slicing of materials like metal and fabric, optimizing efficiency and reducing waste in manufacturing and textiles. High-pressure water jet cutters carve intricate designs in tough materials with precision. And versatility, ideal for diverse applications across industries. Automated welding robots equipped with advanced sensors deliver precise and reliable welds, utilizing techniques like MIG, TIG, and spot welding to ensure structural integrity. Modern printing presses operate at incredible speeds, producing high-quality prints consistently, crucial for industries ranging from publishing to packaging. Automated assembly lines epitomize mass production efficiency, employing robots and specialized machines to assemble products swiftly and accurately. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of industrial innovation. These 153 machines exemplify the pinnacle of engineering and technology, driving productivity and innovation across diverse industries. If you enjoyed this showcase, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of industrial machinery. Stay tuned for our next exploration of engineering marvels and technological wonders.